This RGBAK Stones video extends the RGBAK Grass video by adding a second foliage type of small stones. Be sure to watch the RGBAK Grass video prior to watching this one. In this video, we will add a second array item to the Landscape Grass output node in the RGBAK Master Material for small stones. These stones will be scattered on the K-bit plane of the splat map, so we will also have to calculate the K layer in the material. What you will need for this video is the Unreal Editor, the RGBAK Grass video already completed so that you already have the grass mesh and assets already set up, and a small stone mesh with texture and material. In the Landscape folder, right-click on the LGT Grass 0 Landscape Grass type object and choose Duplicate from the pop-up menu. Name the duplicated object as LGT_Stone0. Double-click on the LGT Stone 0 Landscape Grass type object to edit its properties. Locate the stone mesh and drag it to the grass mesh property. Set the grass density property to 10, save the object and close the editor. In the Materials folder, double-click on the RGBAK Master Material to edit its properties. Adjust the existing Landscape Grass object node and contrast nodes to make room for the new items that we will be adding. The splat map that I am using is one that I created that has the layers for RGBAK set as Beach, Flow Map, Flat Slope, Steep Slope, and K is everything else. The math to calculate the K layer is 1 minus the R plus G plus B plus A layers. We need to calculate the splat map K layer, so add 3 add nodes and 1 subtract node. Connect the splat map texture R connector to the first add node's A input. Connect the splat map texture G connector to the first add node's B input. Connect the splat map texture B connector to the second add node's A input. Connect the splat map texture A connector to the second add node's B input. Connect the first add node's output to the third add node's A input. Connect the second add node's output to the third add node's B input. Connect the third add node's output to the subtract node's B input. Leave the subtract node's A input disconnected so that it stays as the property value of 1.0. Select the Landscape Grass object node and on its properties click on the plus button to add a second array element. On the second array element grass type property, drag the Landscape Grass type LGT Stone 0 object to the property. Connect the output of the subtract node to the second input on the Landscape Grass object node. This gives us the stones on the K layer. Click on the Materials Apply button. Save the material and close the editor. You should now see the small stones scattered about the terrain on the K layer. Build the grass maps and have fun.